Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name of this classic Italian dish. This is a type of pasta sauce that is easily applied to spaghetti. And this is essentially a very simple, basic tomato sauce that you toss into your spaghetti. So how do you go about pronouncing this with a typical Italian pronunciation? Spaghetti. Don't forget, in Italian you say spaghetti, not spaghetti. Spaghetti al pomodoro. Spaghetti al pomodoro. Pomodoro. You do want to stress on the third syllable, on the third O of pomodoro. Spaghetti al pomodoro. Here are many more classic Italian produce in pasta sauces, pasta types, and everything you want to know about how to pronounce Italian cooking and produce words.